Any doubts, anyone till now?
No.
No, now we will come to the reactive forms. Okay. How to create a form?
Using form tag.
Yes, using form tag. Okay. So there are some two kinds of forms are provided by the Angular, but most commonly used one are called reactive forms. Okay. And like any other form, we will declare a form with form. Okay. And with form tag. And what will contain in the form tag? What we will give in the form?
Labels, name.
Labels, input boxes, right? For example, I'll give a label and it will be Anusha. Now, in order to give an input box for this label, what tag should I use?
Input.
Input tag. And what will be, if suppose the name will be string, right?
Type.
Type equal to, what will give?
String.
Text. Text will.
Text.
And suppose if it's an age, okay, what input?
Number.
Number. Type equal to number. And it's a place.
It's also string. Text.
Type equal to text. First, let us see all this. Okay. You can see these three, right? Name, age, and place. Okay. And you can type the text here. You can only have numbers here. Okay. And you can again type some text here. Now, so using one single form, okay, we will just give one form name for this form. Okay? And we can access all the values of this input box using that form directly. Okay. How can we achieve that? I will just tell you. We need something called form group. Okay. And we need to some unique name for this form. Suppose customer details form. Okay. And as I told you, if we are using anything in the HTML, what we need to do? If you are
We
using
need to declare.
or methods in the HTML, what we need to do? That should be definitely there in TS file. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
This form type will be form group. Since we are grouping the form data, its type will be form group. Okay. Now, what we will do, there is one thing called form builder, which will bind all of them into one group. I'll just show you how it will work. Okay. We have form builder and it's of type Now you can see, right? A form can be created using the form tag. Okay, and for all these inputs, in order to group them into one, you need to give one unique name for this form group. Okay, that you will mention as form group and the name of the form. In this, for each form control, you will just give one unique name. That is the form control name. So this is one form control, this is one form control, and this is one form control. For each unique form control, you will just give one name. For example, name, age, and place. In order to bind this to the, in order to bind all these form controls to the form, you will be using something called form builder, okay, which has to be injected into the constructor, if you can see. This form builder provides one method called group, where you can group all of your form controls together. What is the form control name I have given for the age? What is the form control name I have given for the age?
Age. Age.
What is the form control name I have given for name?
Name.
Name.
What is the form control name I have given for place?
Place.
Yeah.
Place.
So you will just indicate whatever form controls you have taken. And this value here indicates what is the default value for this name. Okay. Default is empty. Suppose if I give Anusha, okay, Anusha will be the default value. You can just see it, right? Anusha got filled automatically even without entering. And suppose if you want age to be 15 automatically, then you will give the default value. Understanding, right? You are giving
Yes.
initial values were null and empty for this form controls. Okay. You can get all the values of a form using the form, just the value. This dot customer detail forms dot value. You can just see uh, all the details, whatever is there. You can see it, right? Name,
Yes.
empty, age, null, and place, empty. Any doubts, anyone till here?
Name.
Okay. You can get the current value of, suppose if I am typing something, okay, you can even get what is the current value of this form. Okay, but using some methods we can do that. Now just I'll show you how we can do this. Dot customer form details dot get off, in the form, which form control value you want to get it, either name or the age. What are the form controls here?
Age, name, place.
Yeah,
Age, name, place.
you want to get the name, right? You can just give name. Okay, console.log of get the name. Okay, and you can just see name details. Okay, what is the current value of the name?
Anusha. Nothing.
Nothing.
Empty. You can see, right? You have just
Yes.
got the form control of the name. Here you can see, right, value. You can see here, right, value property.
Yes.
Okay, value property. What is the current value now?
Nothing.
Nothing, empty string. Suppose touched meaning is that have you touched this form control or not, it will tell you. Okay,
Okay.
it gave touched false because we haven't touched it. Suppose if you are writing anything and if you are clicking some button, at the time it will, if you are trying to access the form control, right, it will give you false. Okay, touched true, sorry, it will give you true, meaning is that we have touched the form. Any doubts, anyone? Now how can you get the form control of age?
This dot customer details form dot get age.
Okay, get of age. Suppose if you want to set the details, right, for the form control, you can do it. Customer details. First, you need to get that form control. Okay. Then what you need to do? You need to set the value. Array, where is the value? You can see, right? You are setting the values. You can set it by
Yes.
using the set value method. Okay. Learn it till here. In the tomorrow's class, I will continue about these forms. I have a meeting. Bye, everyone. Have a good day.
Bye, Anusha. Thank you.
Bye.